You can see the road grime on the pipe. Just a bit of, this is 400 wet dry. And it doesn't take a lot. See the black coating that Yamaha put on the factory. And it's not very thick. And you don't have to get it all off, I just get most of it off. And that'll polish up beautifully. You probably don't want to watch me sanding this for the next 15-20 minutes. But yeah, you can see the road grime, it just comes off like mud with a quick sand. Suppose if you didn't want to go all the way back and polish it, you could just get the road grime off, probably with some 1200 or 1500 wet dry, and leave it as the black finish. But I'm going to polish these. Okay, so you can see I've sanded it back. Still got some of the coating on there, but that's not going to bother me too much. I'm just sanding it back as a bit of a time saver more than anything. And we go with the polish. So stitched cloth polishing wheel, and I use the grey polishing compound. And you can see after, what do I've had on there, 15 seconds, that's how good it comes up. So, see if I can zoom that in there a little bit. So it comes up pretty good, yeah. It would be a weekend job, not an afternoon job. Pulling off the bike and polishing it all up if you want to do it, but seeing as I'm rebuilding this FJ and it was already off the bike, it looks better than road grime brown. So I'm about halfway done. Nice and shiny, that bit there's to be done. And there's the other side. So this has still got some of the Yamaha's original factory coating on it. As you can see, it comes off reasonably easy. It's not very thick. Whatever they put on there, it was only just enough to cover the pipes. And we continue on until it's all done. So there we go, one polished stainless steel exhaust pipe. Now it's not the best light for filming, but there we have it. The four downpipes are all in place and nice and shiny. They are only loosely fitted there at the moment because when you go to fit the collector underneath, you want them loose so they all line up better. And then when they're all in place, hopefully I better put my new shiny, well not new, second hand, shiny XJR exhaust on.